In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task in Asana. By the end, you'll know two quick, reliable ways to capture work the moment it comes to mind, so nothing slips through the cracks. First, let's talk about adding a task directly from board view. Boards in Asana are organized into columns, often called sections, like to do, in progress, or done. When you're looking at your project in board view, find the column where your new task belongs. At the very top of that column, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus icon to start a new task right in that column. You'll be prompted to give the task a clear, short name, something that describes the work at a glance. Once you've typed the name, press enter to create it. Your new task card appears in the column you chose, ready to be worked on. If you realize it fits better somewhere else, you can drag the card to a different column later. This method is great when you already know exactly where the task should live in your workflow and you want it placed correctly from the start. Now, for the fastest way to capture an idea from anywhere in Asana, the quick add shortcut. Anytime inspiration strikes, whether you're browsing a different project, checking your inbox, or reviewing a timeline, press Tab, then Q on your keyboard. That opens the quick add window instantly. Type the name of your task just like before. If you're already in the right project, you can confirm it and move on. If not, you can choose the project so the task lands in the correct place when you're done. Press enter to create it and you're set. Quick add is perfect for those moments when speed matters more than exact placement because it lets you get the task out of your head and into your system without switching screens. A couple of simple habits make both methods even more effective. Keep task names action-oriented so the next step is obvious when you see it later. If you're adding directly in board view, choose the column that reflects the task's current status so your board stays accurate. And when you use Quick Add, take a second to confirm the project if you're working across multiple teams or initiatives. To recap, you can click the plus icon at the top of any column in board view to add a task exactly where it belongs, or use the Tab plus Q shortcut anywhere in Asana to capture a task on the fly. Try both and use whichever fits your moment.